Hey everybody, so I've been having so much fun doing Dutch pours and I am going to do another one today, but I'm going to put my own little spin on it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I've got my gloves on and I've got my canvas covered. I am working on a 12 by 16 today and I'm just using three colors, phthalo blue, phthalo green, and phthalo turquoise. And I did my white that goes over the colors a little bit different. This white is Lucas titanium white mixed with Arteza silver, and then it's just all my paints have Floetrol and water only. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start. And here we go. painting is all dry, and I am really, really happy with how this turned out. I tried the white with the silver mixed, and I think it kind of made a little bit of a difference. I did get quite a bit more detail, more cell-like areas, and I love the way the colors blended in this one. So I am super happy with how it looks. So again, I will be doing more of these Dutch pours because they are super fun. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget, like and subscribe and share if you know someone that would like it. And have a great day.